Hey guys, so I want to show you around my boat. I got it a while ago, but I just finally brought it back to my house. So she's a project. You know that we already have this project here, but now we have a new project. I couldn't say no. So let me show you. So she's got a lot of sun damage. I don't think we can buff this out. Like, look at this here. This is probably gonna have to be re-gel coated. And if I'm gonna redo the gel coat, then I think I'm gonna change the green to turquoise. Her trailer used to match like one of the colors, but doesn't quite match anymore. So I wanna get the trailer painted. I need to get the wires for the trailer, and then the kickstand thing, the stand wheelie thing is gone, so I need to get one of those. But this is the outside. Like, look, this I won't be able to buff that out because there's no paint there. All right, let me move this bimini. So this is the back. Clearly, everything is a mess. Everything needs to get stripped. I don't know why there's a ladder in here. I didn't see that yesterday. But yeah, basically, it's been trashed. I'm gonna have to redo this. I didn't even realize. That sucks. So fiberglass the floor, then carpet, upholstery. I mean, look at this. This is bad. Oh no, I didn't realize that this was cracked here now. Fuck, dude. Well, I guess let's get the project underway. Okay, so I changed my shirt. I think long sleeve is better. I need to grab my gloves, and first step would be stripping this. So let's get started. Okay, so basically, this is where we're at. I got both the seats out with the frames. I got the side paneling out. The carpet all came out. This is stuck. There's two brackets that's holding that down. So I need to get a sharp razor blade from Home Depot. That's what I'm waiting for. And then over here, this guy is like taking forever to come off, so I need to go get goggles so that I can go look underneath and get like all the bolts out from the back, because if I don't, like a bunch of nasty stuff's gonna fall in my eyes. And then over here we just have a little bit more carpet to take out, but all of the fiberglass looks pretty darn good, so that's what I'm happy about. I will cut out this little chunk and fix it, and then like obviously I'll cut out like this around here and just fix that. But the wood, I think it looks okay so far. Obviously I have to look again once that's out, but it looks okay. And then over here we still have these in. I need to get a bolt cutter, or not a bolt cutter. I need to get a like a drill, like a hole drill to take them out. I saw some guy on YouTube do it, but basically I can't get these out. They're stuck until I get that. And then right here, it is mushy. So I think that this wood under here might need to get messed with, which is a disaster because that means this needs to come out. But yeah, pretty much got it all taken care of. This is gonna get redone.